This is my low-key look for me, low-key for me kind of look. Very easy, very fast. You're just gonna be chilling with your homies, so who cares? The only person I'm trying to impress right now is me. And really, no. I'm not trying to impress anyone. Okay, the Ramble Queen reigns on. Yeah, sorry guys, I talk a lot. Okay guys, your girl's back at it again with another chit chat while I put my makeup on, basically. I don't know what to call these things. I guess it's like a get ready with me, right? Today is Super Bowl Sunday, so that's why I'm in here filming, because I don't watch football. I did watch the halftime show though, so that was nice. Justin Timberlake, love him. The look that I'm gonna be doing is basically my low-key, not trying to impress nobody but myself kind of makeup look. So it's gonna be, you know, a lot more natural, a lot more, okay, I don't know how else to say it. But I'm not gonna be using any foundation today, just powder. So I'm gonna try and take care of the discoloration. So I'm gonna spray my face. Oh my god, I love the smell of Fix Plus. Who else loves the smell of Fix Plus? I would wear it like as a perfume or something, like one of those room scents, like deodorizer kind of things. I would so get one in the MAC Fix Plus scent. Just like so fresh, you know? This look I'm probably gonna put up around Valentine's Day, this video. For my peeps out there that are not going to be celebrating Valentine's Day, they're going to be celebrating Pal-Entine'S Day or Gal-Entine'S Day, whatever it is. Pals for your friends and gals for your girls. So you don't have to stay home and not do stuff. Simply sad music like I used to do back in the day. Get your face on looking cute as you want to look for yourself and go do something fun, or like order in a bunch of junk food because you ain't trying to impress nobody, and stay home at whoever's like place has the best television or Fire Stick. I'm so addicted to our Fire Stick now. Like, we've had it for a while but I've never used it really for myself. It was mostly my husband that used it. And yeah, I recently looked up a few things that I wanted to look up and I was super happy. So now I'm like addicted. I've been watching season 8 of Shameless and I'm very, very happy. Okay, so I just set my concealer to color correct and I'm gonna go over the top of that, like I said, not with foundation. I'm gonna use powder and I'm gonna be using this Charlotte Tilbury powder. Tilbury, I don't know. This is in the color 3 Dark. I don't consider myself dark, nor do I consider this powder dark necessarily either. It's only tan, but once I put it on my face and kind of drag it down my neck, it matches a little bit better than how it looks in here. Sometimes I will do this kind of thing where it's no foundation, just powder. Certainly if I'm running late for wherever I'm going. Usually work. There go the dogs. There's like a lot of Super Bowl parties in the neighborhood, you know, so my dogs are going crazy. As I was saying, I sometimes do this look, you know, the no foundation thing, if I'm running late or if I just want to give my skin a rest. Pretty much everything else is the same. Still gonna bronze up my face. Favorite bronzer right now is the Butter Bronzer, the OG color. I know they came out with other colors, but this is just the original. Contour. And of course my hula. I am loyal. I am a loyal bitch. I will keep to the same products for years. I'm sure there are plenty of other products out there that would work just as well, but makeup is expensive. So if I were to buy like the new products all the time, I'd be like so poor. Contour my nose. There I go again. One starts and then there goes the other one. We're just gonna push through. We're gonna push through. This is real life, people. This is what happens every time. I'm not trying to do anything too harsh, too crazy, so I'm not gonna. For the eyes, I'm gonna do something really, really simple. I'm going to probably use. I'm so disorganized. You don't even want to know what's going on underneath here. But I'm gonna use one of my favorite palettes of Late, the Naked Heat palette, because it has like my kind of colors. I didn't even prime my lids. I'm just going over it with that same brush that I used to blend out the concealer and kind of just go over the lids just a little bit, because I kind of have oily lids, so we don't want any of that. Now I'm just gonna go in. We're gonna see what we're gonna come up with, because I have no idea. Yeah, but sometimes it's just more fun just to do things with your friends, you know? No pressure. It kind of sucks though that like Valentine's Day is in the middle of the week, because doesn't like a Pal-Entine'S Day or Gal-Entine'S Day, whatever. What are we gonna call it? Pal-Entine'S Day? Let's include everyone. A Pal-Entine'S Day sleepovers sound amazing, but we grown now, so we can't be doing sleepovers in the middle of the week. At least I can't. But doesn't that seem so fun? Like, screw the chocolates and fucking making reservations and wearing clothes that are uncomfortable and figuring out if you're gonna wear Spanx or not, because what if you have to take them off later and then he goes, see you're wearing Spanx. Like, no pressure, just fun. And I'm not anti-Valentine's Day. I'm just anti-fake love. Like, roses go up in price like exponentially around this time. This is probably gonna be a look that you've seen me do a million times. I just seem to gravitate to these kind of color combinations, but whatever. This is more of a chit chat kind of what's up. I wish I could talk to you guys like live, you know? There is a YouTuber that I follow. She's amazing. Her name is Jordan Hans. She does awesome like special effects makeup and Halloween makeup and that kind of thing, but she has a Twitch channel and she games on there. I have a Twitch channel also. She games on there, but she also does like her body painting, face painting makeup on there too, live on Twitch. So she like talks to her peeps and stuff. So I don't know, would you be interested in something like that, like a live demonstration? I don't know, live a live stream of me doing my makeup on Twitch? Yes. What am I gonna do for the lid, people? What am I gonna do for the lid? I think I might just go in with one of my liquid eyeshadows. It's just so much easier. These Magnificent Metals by Stila. Oh my god, I love them. Oh. Let that dry a little bit before I open my eye completely, because I don't want it to transfer onto the lid like any higher than where I put it. I like how I said it's gonna be a low-key makeup look, and I'm full on like putting a crap ton of glitter on my eyelid. One of my favorite liners from ColourPop. It's called Get Paid. We about to get paid. I swear I always start out saying it's gonna be very low-key, very natural, not that big a deal, and then I go in. Per usual. It's my mother's birthday this month, and I recently did my mom's makeup. It was like that Turn My Mom Into Me challenge. I haven't laughed that hard in a really long time. It was really funny. I'm using this eyeliner. It's like a gel eyeliner, but I bought it for the packaging. It looks like an old school like ink pot, and it's by Pretty Vulgar, but their packaging is really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara on and throw on some lashes, and then I will be right back. It took me a little bit longer than I expected to come back on camera, because I just watched the like birth announcement video. Kylie Jenner's daughter. Oh my god. I had to take a moment because I cry every time. Anytime any kind of birth story, really. Yeah, so congrats. So yeah, I just threw on some lashes. You can wear whatever lashes you want. It's okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of highlight, not too much. I would usually go in with liquid highlight, but I'm gonna do powder highlight today, and I'm using this, one of my favorites. But yeah, you could do that on your Valentine's Day too. Just watch A Birth Story and cry. That is it, mostly for the face. Now, as far as like lipstick or whatever, I'm probably not gonna wear lipstick. I'm probably gonna wear a lip gloss. I'm just more comfortable wearing glosses recently. Is this low-key? Probably not. I think I might just wear fairy floss. No me gusta. No me gusta because I feel like it makes me look a little washed out. I'm gonna go in with something else. I'm gonna go in with, where is it? I wore it yesterday. Here. This is also a gloss. It is in the color Mudslide by Buxom. And I like this one better because it's got a little bit of color on it. And doesn't look so like washed out. There's definitely a time for nude. Like this is definitely more nude. Definitely time and place for nude. I like to wear these kind of nudes when my eyes are a little bit more dramatic. But I wasn't feeling it for this look. And again, that happens all the time. You can change it up. Because again, we're flying by the seat of our pants per usual. I'm ready for my Pal-Entine'S day. Still looking cute, not too extra, but extra enough. Yeah, that's it. This is what we rockin' for our Pal-Entine'S day. Guys, thank you so much for visiting me again today. I appreciate it so much. Go ahead and comment down below on any videos you might want me to do, and I'll see you in the next video.